Okay, so next we're going to install our controls. So a tone and volume pods, a pickup selector, and our input jack. Now we're doing this a little early in the process just so we can get our ground wire in place against the bushing for the bridge that earths out our signal. So I'll just protect the finish. Okay, so first thing to go in place will be our input jack. I'll explain more about the electronics a little later when we're connecting our pickup wires, but the input jack goes at the back here. And generally on an SG, our tone goes to the back and our volume pods to the front. I just want to check I've got the right ones here. The neck will generally be the set with the earth wire coming off, so this will be our neck. So I'll just put the tone at the back, volume at the front, and that makes sense because our whole electronics cavity is nearest to that volume pod. So you can tell the difference between your volume and tone pods by the tone pods have these green capacitors on them. And lastly, we've got our pickup selector. So just take the nut off and the washer. Just poke that. So this is our ground wire. We're just poking it through the side into the pickup cavity for now.